There's a lot of videos out there that show you how to play your triads. I would know because I've made a lot of them, but I don't really see a lot of videos that are playing chord progressions and letting you practice the triads over top of them. So what I'm going to do in this lesson is we're going to take a basic 3-chord chord progression and we're going to play it in a bunch of different ways, showing you all the different ways you can use just one simple chord progression and all the different variations you can create using triads on strings 1, 2, and 3 and 2, 3, and 4. Be sure to download the backing track, the charts for all of the triads, and a lesson summary down below. I will put the link in the description. So grab your guitar and let's have some fun playing some triads. Thanks for taking the time to hang out with me and play and practice some triads. As you can see, there's a lot of different variations. There were actually a lot more variations I was coming up with, but I thought I wanted to keep it to just, I believe there's like 18 in the video, but there were a lot more that I came up with. If you like this concept of practicing your triads over different chord progressions, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I think there's a lot of people out there that want to do that. I think a lot of people have learned the triads, but they really need to practice them now. And that's what I'm willing to do if that's what you guys are interested in. If you find that you need to have a better understanding of what triads are and how to use them, I do have a course over on my website, GuitArmy.net. It's a triad course, and I will put the link down in the description if you would like to check it out. If you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave them down below. And thanks again for taking the time to hang out and play some triads with me. I will see you in the next lesson.